GE Silicones is a world-class line of high-performance, 100% silicone sealants and coatings for the construction industry. Since pioneering silicone technology in the 1940s, our unique formulations have set GE Silicones apart in solutions that cannot be replicated. Today, we are one of only a handful of companies that owns the entire development process, from silicone ore to the finished products. Trusted by architects, contractors, building owners, and consultants, GE Silicones produces innovative 100% silicone solutions that protect and enhance the entire building envelope. From helping cutting-edge architecture come to life, to restoring iconic buildings for future generations to enjoy, our solutions help to extend building life and add performance to buildings of every type, age, and construction in challenging environments worldwide. From street level to the skyline, GE Silicones sealants and coatings offer a complete solution. We push the boundaries of design with structural glazing sealants that enable the most complex and ambitious projects. We enhance and preserve the look of building exteriors with protective architectural coatings that form a seamless waterproof membrane. Our proprietary 100% alkoxy silicone roof coatings create seamless waterproof barriers, stopping leaks and extending roof life by decades. We seal in lasting performance and energy efficiency in insulating glass units that secure sweeping views and enable modern architectural marvels. We put our innovation to work in residential buildings, creating windows that are made to last. Our air and water-resistant barrier coatings work beneath the facade to control the moisture and humidity that can lead to damaging mildew, mold, rot and rust. And we maximize building resiliency, guarding building exteriors against wet weather, air intrusions, temperature extremes and damaging UV rays. Our 100% silicone technology waterproofs, insulates and protects. And used together, our solutions deliver seamless, resilient results. Building for the future. Today, the GE Silicones product line is an industry leader, offering world-class performance under the trusted banner of an iconic, globally recognized brand. As we move to the future, we're building on our successful legacy and paving the way for new possibilities, pushing the boundaries, investing in technology, and developing new systems to meet the ever-changing needs of the world's construction industry. Yesterday, today, and tomorrow. We're helping to change the skyline forever.